In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Kucoin account. If you've been looking to get involved in cryptocurrency trading, Kucoin is one of the popular exchanges you might want to consider. It's user-friendly and offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies to trade. So, let's get started and show you how to set up your account efficiently in just a few simple steps. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Kucoin website. You can do this by typing Kucoin into your search engine, or by directly entering the URL for Kucoin's homepage. This is the starting point where you'll initiate the registration process. Once the homepage is loaded, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. You'll find that it's designed to be straightforward, with clear navigation that makes it easy to find what you're looking for. Now, let's move on to creating your account. Look for the Create Account option, which is usually prominently displayed on the homepage. Click on this link to be redirected to the registration page. At this point, you'll have a couple of options on how you'd like to proceed with your registration. You can input your email to create an account from scratch, or you might notice an alternative option to use a social media account or other quick sign-in methods available, such as Google. If you decide to register via email, you'll need to enter your email address and set a strong password. Make sure this password is something you can remember, but also hard for others to guess. It's always a good idea to use a mix of upper and lower case letters, numbers, and special characters to enhance security. After entering your details, hit the Next or Continue button to move to the next stage. The system will prompt you to verify your email address by sending you a confirmation email. Check your inbox, and if you don't see it there, also check your junk or spam folder, just in case. Click the link in the email to verify your address. This is an essential step to activate your account and to ensure that you're the legitimate owner of the email address provided. Now, you're almost there. You may be asked to set up additional security measures, such as two-factor authentication. This might seem like an extra step, but it adds a layer of security to protect your account from unauthorized access. It typically involves linking your phone number or a third-party app, which will generate a verification code each time you log in. After completing these steps, congratulations! You've successfully created your Kucoin account. You're now ready to explore and start trading in the world of cryptocurrencies. Take your time to explore the platform's features and ensure you understand how the trading process works. Remember, it's important to stay informed and trade wisely. Thank you for watching, and happy trading!